Hi everybody and welcome back to the BizTech Academy. Steve here, and this is our ChatGPT series. In this series we show a number of short videos showing real life use cases for ChatGPT and how these use cases enhance and make your life a whole lot easier. Today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can summarize large passages of text into bite-sized chunks and save you a great deal of time. Okay, so I've got the ChatGPT application open, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flick over to a website here, and this is a website. I just chose a subject, the theory of relativity by Albert Einstein. Don't ask me why I've chose that. It sounds complicated, so I thought I'd try it out. And I've highlighted all of the text, and I'm going to press copy. And I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to paste it. And then at the end of that, I'm going to use Shift and Enter just to put a couple of spaces in there, and I'm going to write in TL:dr. And tldr stands for too long, didn't read, and is used basically as a shortcut for saying there's too much text in that passage, I can't be bothered to read it. So in this case, we're going to try and use ChatGPT to summarize the text and get the salient points out of the passage. So we'll just press go, and then what will happen is ChatGPT will summarize this. So what we've got here, we've got 4 large paragraphs, and what ChatGPT has done is concise that, or put that into one single paragraph that summarizes this particular passage and pulls out the salient points, and hopefully makes it a lot more easier and understandable to read. Okay, let's try this one more time. What I've got over here now is something different. So this is a BBC report about the Monaco F1 Grand Prix that happened a couple of days ago. Now, this particular writer, Andrew Benson, I've read him before, but he is long. I mean, you can see this. It's a long old report. Goes on and on and on and on. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get. I don't have the time to read all of that, although I am interested in what the subject matter is. So let's just scroll it down and copy it. We'll go back to ChatGPT. We'll start a new chat here, and then we'll press paste. And then again, I'm going to go and press Shift and Enter a couple of times, and then just put TL:dr. Press Enter, and then see what happens. All of this text here, all of this, which is this article, will be summarized now by ChatGPT into what I hope will be a single paragraph. And there you go. Just a simple paragraph here that details all of the information that's in that article. I'm not going to read through it now, but you can pause the video by all means and read through it. But I assure you, it has all the salient points within that article, and you can read it in probably a tenth of the time. Okay, that's it. A useful piece of functionality this with ChatGPT. Again, TL:dr, too long, didn't read. It's really useful if you've got large amounts of text or large amounts of reports to read, or even, for example, if it's legal documents or anything like that. If you just cut and paste it in there, press TL:dr, semicolon:, sorry, and it will summarize and pull out the salient points of that article. Okay, thanks very much for watching. If you did like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Also press the alert button because we're releasing more ChatGPT videos every day. But in the meantime, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.